Sentence completion, table completion, multiple choice questions, labeling a map, matching people, places. Too many IELTS. Listening question types? Overwhelmed? Watch this. All simplified in 7 minutes. Hi everyone. IELTS. Listening has 10 different question types. Sentence completion, tables, maps, matching, multiple choice. It's total chaos, and most students get lost trying to remember them all. Sound familiar? Good news! They all fit into just 3 simple groups. Welcome to Comprehensive English Lab. In this video, I'll show you exactly what they are. No more confusion, and you can aim for band 7+ easily. First, let's have a quick review of the test format. The IELTS listening test takes about 30 minutes. You hear 4 recordings only once. If you take the paper test, after listening, you have 10 extra minutes to transfer answers to the answer sheet. There are 4 sections with 10 questions each. Total, 40 questions. Section 1. Everyday conversation between 2 people. For example, a customer and a receptionist talking about hotel booking. Section 2. One person talking about social topic. For example, a tour guide giving instructions. Section 3. Group discussion about studies. For example, students and a professor talking about the upcoming university research. Section 4. Lecture or talk about academic topics. For example, a presentation about the extinction of dodo bird. Accents are different: British, Australian, American, etc. Each correct answer equals 1 mark. Your score becomes a band from 1 to 9. Now, let's look at the question types. IELTS. Listening has different question types, but they fit into only 3 big groups. This makes them easy to learn. You usually see 1 to 3 different tasks in each section. Group 1. Completion tasks. Completion tasks ask you to fill in missing words or numbers using exact words from the recording. Follow the word limit, usually no more than 2-3 words and/or a number. Spelling must be perfect. The tasks are notes completion, table completion, flowchart completion. You complete notes, table or flowcharts with words from the audio. Sentence completion. You finish incomplete sentences with suitable words from the recording. Short answer questions. You answer questions with a limited number of words or numbers from the audio. Tips for all completion tasks. When you listen, answers always come in order. For example, the speaker talks about key information to be filled in blank number 1 before moving on to the information relating to blank number 2. The word limit is very important. You must not write more than the limit, or your answer will get 0 marks in each time. Group 2. Multiple choice questions. Multiple choice questions ask you to choose the correct answer from options. You choose 1 answer, A, B, or C, or sometimes 2 answers from A to E. Tip: read all options before listening. Wrong answers are close, but not exact. Listen carefully. This tests understanding main ideas or details. Group 3. Matching tasks. Matching tasks ask you to connect things, like statements to people or items to categories. Matching names. You match a list of statements to a list of possible answers in a box, e.g., people, theories, dates. Tip: names or items often come in order. Listen for them first. This tests relationships and who says what. Classification. You classify information into 3 categories: A, B, or C, like dates, names, or types. Tip: the categories repeat many times. Note them quickly. This tests sorting facts correctly. Labeling a diagram, plan, or map. You label parts of a diagram, plan, or map using words from the recording or choose from a box. Tip: follow directions like north or left while listening. This tests relating spoken description to visuals. These matching tasks check how well you follow connections in conversations or talks. These three groups cover all task types in IELTS. Listening. Both academic and general training use the same tasks. Practice them all. You will see 1-3 per section. Before we wrap up, if you're just starting out with IELTS listening and feeling a bit lost, check out my Simplified IELTS Listening series here on Comprehensive English Lab. This series is specially made for beginners. We use real IELTS listening practice materials, but simplified. Slower pace, clearer accents at first, and step-by-step breakdowns, so you can get familiar with the real test format without getting overwhelmed right away. Perfect for building confidence from zero to hero. To do well in listening, read questions before each recording starts. Write answers on the question paper while listening. Check spelling and word limits. Practice with different accents every day. Don't leave any question blank. Always guess, because you're not punished for wrong answers. Now you know all task types in a nutshell. If this helped you understand IELTS listening better, please like the video. Share it with friends preparing for IELTS. Subscribe to Comprehensive English Lab and turn on the bell for more lessons.